Hey there everyone, welcome back to another JC Sweet & Co tutorial. Today we will be covering how to add images to your WordPress website. To begin, head to your website and log on. From the WordPress dashboard, click the Media tab. Under the Media tab, click Add New. Using either Finder or File Explorer, select the pictures you'd like to add to the website. You can also drag and drop a picture or folder if you prefer. Your pictures will begin to upload. And once that blue bar finishes, ta-da! You now have your pictures on your WordPress website that you can use for web pages, blog posts, and more. When you click on the image, you can grab the image's URL from the top of the items to the right. This is useful in Constant Contact or other sites where you may need to pull the image without slowing down the software. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and like this video if it helped you.